We turn to Boomtown this morning, Central Ohio becoming a hub for space exploration and discovery as Ohio State gets ready to welcome the first ever space park in the U.S.
But students at another university here also have their eyes set on the stars. Meredith visited the campus of Ohio Wesleyan University in Delaware.
In high school, I was really in love with astronomy, honestly, and I love physics and my math classes, favorite classes. And I was very interested in programming as well. So all that combination is just the perfect major.
Isabella Rodriguez-Ortiz is a senior at Ohio Wesleyan University. This summer, she completed a research program that gave her the opportunity of a lifetime to get up close and personal with the stars.
Honestly, kind of like a dream come true, because it's what I wanted to research since very long ago.
As you can see,
it was made possible through a grant awarded by NASA to OWU astronomy professor Robert Harmon and graduate Rachel Rotenbacher, allowing students to take part in studying star spots like never before.
Star spots are dark regions on the surface of a star. They're cooler than the rest of the surface because strong magnetic fields suppress heat flowing up from below. On the sun, we call them sunspots. On other stars, we call them star spots. And by understanding star spots better, then we can understand how magnetic fields on our own sun work as well. So understanding the sun's magnetic field is important to us here on Earth, because the better we understand that, the better we can prepare ourselves for the possibly deleterious effects of solar weather, so to speak.
And it's research that allows students real hands-on experience.
The students are using data from the Kepler Space Telescope, which is retired, but it's still in orbit of the sun right now in space. But just to put into perspective, the mirror that's inside of that telescope is just a little bit bigger than the mirror that's inside of this telescope that's here at Perkins Observatory.
Building a skill set to help them in school and down the road after they graduate.
Totally changes your college experience for the better. I think it makes you a much more well-rounded student, and just overall it's really beneficial, yeah.
The kinds of things they learn by doing this research project are also the kind of things that companies are looking for. They learn critical thinking, they learn how to do data analysis, and so this kind of project has applications beyond the specific topic that we're studying.
The 3-year grant will allow 2 students to be selected each summer through 2027. Harmon hopes to publish the research and share the results with the scientific community nationwide.
Cool.
It's really interesting, who would think that, we know the sun is like our biggest star, but by studying other stars out there in the galaxy, we can learn more about how our sun works when it comes to, the coronal mass ejections and solar flares that bring us our space weather impacts here on Earth. But these students are doing groundbreaking research that is going to be used down the road to help us better study the sun.
Love it. That's so good.
The future. Had you heard the term star spots before? That was a new one.
I'm going to be honest, that was new to me as well, but it makes sense. You have sunspots on the sun, so I guess star spots on the stars.
Smaller stars.
Incredible. Just some cool stuff, and I'm excited for the next couple of summer interns that they get over the next few years that are going to get to do and participate in this program.
It's great for OWU.
OWU! All right.